You know who this guy is? He's the killer who tortured and murdered this person before disposing of his body in an industrial meat grinder. During his trial, he admitted to having done dirty jobs for the Serbian president and the ruling party. And you know who this guy is? He's the president of Serbia, Aleksandar Vucic. He, of course, denied these allegations, but everyone knows it's true. There are eyewitness accounts of them meeting. Plus, he's done worse. The entire list of his crimes is too big for this video. The people of Serbia know he's evil. That's why they're protesting while cars are hitting them and hired hooligans are beating them. Shame on the rest of the world for enabling this dictator and his evil regime. Shame on the US for letting him get away with it. Obama, Trump, and Biden administrations allowed him to terrorize people in Serbia. I get it. Serbia is a small country. It's easy to ignore. Let's change this, my Americans. Let's shine a light on Vucic and his party's crimes for the whole world to see. How can you help? Contact your congressman today. Use this link to find your representative. Tell them that they should not support or make deals with criminal Aleksandar Vucic and his dictatorship in Serbia. There's an online form, so you don't have to go to the post office. Share this video. I'm Nenad Milanovic, based in California, CEO of Cake.com. I grew up in Serbia, where these horrors are taking place. Thank you for your support.